Hi guys, look, I'm sorry I'm not here today, but I thought I would actually go through what we were doing yesterday. So in your booklet on the assessment pack, task one was to create this spreadsheet here as much as possible and make it look like page 108. So just to recap, to do the total sales, you have to go equals sum, bracket, and choose the cells that you want to add up. Same with the average, equals average, cells that you want to add up. Now, if you want to total this, we can actually go and pull aside like this and get rid of that one, of course. But basically that will allow us to copy down. So the other thing we can do is make that, if we choose accounting, it will actually change all of those to with the dollar sign. Now to get this one, it's just the unit sold times the unit price will give us the total of how many dollars worth of sales. So make sure down here where it says sheet one, you rename that to task one. And then using the plus sign, create task two. So this task is on page 109. And like I said, I showed you yesterday, we can actually get rid of that. And if I go to just choose January and then pull down, it will automatically do that. Now we also need down here totals and maximum. And it wants those bold. So just choose those and then go up here and choose bold. Now, I haven't finished the numbers here, so I will just do that now. So 18, 19, 315, 27, 35, 37, 26. And then adult female is 32, 29, 21, 12, 15, 529, 32, 35, 36, 42, and 35. I must have mucked up there. Let me just go 32, 29, 21, 12, 15, 5, 2, 9, 32, 35, 42. That was not there. All right, so I'll just grab those and pull those up there. Okay, so juniors were 421, 310, 024, 533. Wants you to then do a total. So you need to go equals, and you can either do the sum or you can just go click, plus click, plus click, and then copy down. Right, it then wants you to create a total and maximum of for each membership. So we go equals, sum, open bracket, select the cells you want, close bracket. Click and again, fill across. Here it wants a maximum, so equals max, right? Open bracket, right? So 37 was a max for that one, and there we are, 42, 8, 2. It then says, that's it, save that. Let's go to task 3. Now task 3, double click on where you had the sheet and call it task 3. Make it larger so I can see. Okay, maybe not so large. Here they want you to create something on the spreadsheet. Create a spreadsheet on task 3, enter the raw data below, apply appropriate number formats to your numbers, center the spreadsheet heading. All right, so 1, 2, 3, I'm going to do probably 5, and I'm going to merge and center. I'm going to call that bounce, fitness, profit and loss. Right, so here I'm going to go month income expenditure. Oops. Okay, and double click that up between here if it's not enough. Okay, so it wants us to start from March. That's okay. Just choose March, and it wants us to go to February. So then you can just go like this until you hit February. Right, double click again to make sure you've got space. Here it wants this to be in black and white, but we'll do that in a moment. Here I'm going to select these two and make them accounting. So 1259.9. Now, I just saw that. If you see this hash symbols, it just means that it's not wide enough to show the symbols. So double click it and it will go like that. Okay, 1533, 1774, 631, 781, 1821.54, 2233.82, 2537.22, 1650, and 1623. That's the income. The expenditure is 1410.45, 1499.10, 1370.25, 1440.8, 1530.25, 1490.55, 1369, 1420, 1611.81, 1577.63. Sorry about that. 1423.98 and 1598.12. Okay, so then it asks us, now that we've done that, adjust the column width and row height to suit the layout you've selected. That's fine. What I might do is actually just choose those and merge this into that one. That looks a bit better. And if I don't like this part here, I can actually change that a little bit too. Let me just think for a second here. I want that centered as well, and then that will jump like that. Okay, so now it wants you to create a formula to calculate the profit loss. So profit / loss. Now, just so that you know, profit and loss is basically the income minus the expenditure. It should give us what we're looking for. Now, I'm just going to change that to format, accounting, and to currency. I'm going to change it to currency because I actually want it to be negative. So whenever you see a loss, I want it to be in red. Okay, so then it says it wants to do that for all of them. So you just copy down. So once you've got that, so the first 2 months loss. However, that doesn't give us a running total. So you need to have, to calculate the annual totals for the income, the expenditure, and profit loss, we'll create a formula to calculate the profit loss for the whole year. What you need to do is equals this minus, or actually, sorry, plus, sorry, that one's the same. Here, it's equals that plus that. Should always give us, because you add those two together, that's where we're sitting right now. But if we continue to copy down, by the end of it, we should be in a profit, as we can see here. So that's that. Now, come back down here, and it wants us to do some totals. It wants us the annual totals, right? So again, equal sum, open the brackets, choose the cells you want, close the brackets, and copy across. Now, we're not going to do that one because that doesn't work. And that one doesn't work. But you can see that's exactly where we're at. If we add all of those up, that's our annual profit. Let's have a look. Oh, it wants us to do the percentage as well. So I'm going to insert here. This is the percentage. And then this is running total or annual, month to month. That, or running total, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so the percentage is a little bit different. We want to know what percentage of this is of our goal. So equals that divided by that should give us the percentage. So that's our loss at the moment. Now I'm just trying to think, is that correct? I think that's correct, guys. I don't know why that's done that. Okay, I think that's correct. Right, print a copy, no, we have to format it. So I'm going to leave you to format that. So then again, it says to click here and we're going to call this one task 4. And now you're going to actually do some charts based on that information. Right, you will need your chart, create a pie chart showing the number of adult male memberships for each of the month and title it adult male. So I think we go back to here. No, number 2. So a chart showing the number for each month. Choose the month and the adult male. Go to insert, go to recommended charts, do a pie chart, press OK. Obviously it's in the wrong spot. So cancel that or cut that, put it in here and open it there. Give it a title, it said, and call it adult male. I want you to do the same thing, but this time a column chart for the female members. Create a line chart showing number of all memberships for each of the month and create a donut chart showing the number of junior memberships for each of the month. I'm just going to show you one more, because obviously we're going to choose different columns here. So select the column, the information you want. Hold the control key and then select females, for example. And it wants you to create a column chart. Insert. This is a column chart or a clustered column. That's a Pareto. Or if you're not sure, just go here and just go, yep, I want that one. Or even this one. Press OK. Again, we want to cancel that or cut it, basically. Pop it here. And this time we're going to call this a female or adult female. I'm not going to do the rest. You're going to do those yourself. The key thing is tidy this one up because this looks a bit messy. You need to make it look more attractive. And I said, if you see this, that's because you just need to open up those a little bit more. Make it a bit more attractive. Make that one a bit more attractive. This one is already attractive. Once you've done that, please save it. Again, don't forget you have to do 4 charts here as well. Save it and upload it to Sector. And hopefully you'll be able to do that by the end of today. Thank you.